Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add Roman numeral page numbers in Google Docs. Whether we're formatting a report, thesis, or any other document, Roman numerals give our pages a professional and classic look. On our Google Docs dashboard, we first need to insert page elements like the header. Next, we go back to the header, then click on Symbols, and then click on Special Characters. We will choose symbols as numbers, then select decimal. We just need to click on Others. As we can see, here are our Roman numerals. We just need to click on this one. Now we click on this one and then close it. Here we click Insert, then go to Break, and then click on Continuous. On the next page, as we can see, there's the numeral one again. To edit it, we just need to click here, then click Insert, and then click Break, then Continuous, so we can insert again. Now let's insert the page elements like the header again. This will be our page 2. We insert the symbols, then special characters, and then we will choose the number 2. Let's close this so we can delete the one, and then we just need to unlink this one. As we can see, we can choose the first page 3 here, and then insert again. Now, as we can see, there's no more page 3. Once we enter it, it will continue as the next page. We just need to edit this one to insert the page element. If there's no page element like the header, this will be our page 3, section 3. This will be our 4th special characters entry, then 4th, and we just repeat this for the rest of the pages until the last page. Once we're done, we just need to click Save. And that's how we add Roman numeral page numbers in Google Docs in just a few simple steps.